All right, third graders, happy Friday. Okay, today's math message you can do on a separate sheet of paper and just take a picture as usual when you're done and send it to your teacher. All right, it says Josie's class arrives at music at 10:06 a.m. Music is over at 10:55 a.m. Work with a partner to figure out the length of Josie's music class. You may use your toolkit clock or an open number line. Okay, well, I'm going to be your partner. We're going to work through this together. And here is our toolkit clock. And we'll also do it on a number line so we can see two different ways to figure out how long Josie's music class was. All right, the important thing to know here is that it's at 10:06 a.m. and it ends at 10:55 a.m. So it's both in the morning. It's the same 10 o'clock hour. So we know that we're just going to have a class that is a few minutes long because our hour stays the same in the, well, a.m. is in the morning. Okay, if I were to use my clock, I set my clock at 10:06 because that's when Josie's music class started. So I see my little hand just past the 10 and the little hand tells the hours. Remember, it's little because it's shorter than the big hand. We call this the big greedy hand because it counts all of the numbers, and the little tiny hour hand just counts the hours. It is just past the 10, so I know it's 10. And let's see. Oh, is my big hand in the right position? What do we need it at? We need it at 6 minutes. So if I start at the top, remember, from 1 hour, it's 5 minutes. And then we just need 1 little minute to make it 10:06. Beautiful. Okay, we need to get to 10:55 a.m. Is at the 6 minutes our easiest number to start with? Probably not, right? We know that we can count by fives if it's on the exact hour. So let's just go ahead and move it back 1 minute. So we just made it 10:05. We gave them 1 extra minute of music class, right? If it started 1 minute earlier, that gives them 1 extra minute. So at the end, when we figure out our number, we'll just have to take away 1 minute. Okay, we need to get all the way to the 55. Oh boy. Well, we're at 10:05 right now. So let's keep counting up until, and I'll mark where we started. So we started right here. Let's keep counting till we get to 10:55. So we're at 10:05. Count with me. 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, 10:25, 10:30. Are we there yet? Whew, nope, we got to keep going to 55. So we just ended at 10:30. Ready? 10:35, 10:40, 10:45, 10:50, 10:55. Whew, we made it. So how many minutes did we jump? Well, let's start from our starting point and count by fives till our end point, because we counted what time it was, but now we need to know how many minutes have passed. So if we start here, we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. We just went 50 minutes. Does that mean Josie's music class is 50 minutes long? No, because remember, we went back a minute. We added 1 minute to our class time so that we can make easy hops on the number line. So now we have to take away 1 minute. Can I take 0 minus 1? Nope. We go to our neighbor next door and say, "Hi, can I borrow some from you?" And we cross them out and they say, "Sure you can." Cross it off, make it 1 less. Our 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And we have 4 left. It is 49 minutes long, Josie's music class. Amazing. So if you didn't draw that out, that's okay. But we're going to draw out this number line to make hops on it. As you can see, I have Josie's music class starting at 10:06. And I have it ending at 10:55. Okay, so draw this out right now. Draw a line. Put 10:06 a.m. and 10:55 a.m. at opposite ends. All right, put me on pause so you have that drawn. Then unpause me. Okay, if you're back, how are we going to make hops over to 1055? Well, let's get this 6 a nice number. I think 10's a nice number. Can we get it to 1010? What do we need to add to 6 to make it a 10? If you said 4, you're correct. So do one little hop. And at the top, we label it 4 minutes because we just hopped 4 minutes. Now, what time does that make it? It makes it 10:10 a.m. Always write down your new time so that we can keep track of it more easily. Okay, what can we hop to now? What can we hop to now? I think 10:30 would be a nice place to be, right? We know 30 is right on that 6. It's half of the clock. How much do we need to add to 10 to make it 30? 10. Let's count by 10s. 10. 20, 30. I just added 2 10s. That means I need to hop 20 minutes. Bum-ba-da-dun. All right, I just hopped 20 minutes. So this hop I'm going to label 20 minutes. MIN stands for minutes. It's the abbreviation for minutes. All right, if I added 20 to my 10, it becomes 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. Amazing. Okay, I am getting so super duper close. If you know what to add to 30 to get to 55, go ahead and add it. But I'm going to say another hop is 10:45 because that's at the 9. That's another good even number to go to. So I'm going to hop 15 minutes. I'm going to hop 15 minutes because I know 15 plus 30 gets me to 10:45. And if you see what I see, third graders, I see that both of my numbers end with a 5. I just need to change my 10. How do I get my 4 to a 5 if it's in the tens place? I add a 10, so add 10 more minutes. And dun 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 dun, we made it to our end time. Am I done yet once I label this? No, what do I need to do next to figure out how long Josie's music class was? I need to add up all of my time on top. Okay, here's how I'm going to start it. I'm going to say I'm going to do 20 plus 10, right? I'm going to add them together, and I'm going to cross them off so I know which numbers I'm doing. 20 plus 10 is, well, what's 20 plus 10? 30. Okay, I'm going to add 15, and I'm just going to add it to the bottom. What is 30 plus 15? 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. I'm at 45. Now I need to add my last one. I'm going to add 4 minutes. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus nothing is 4. How long was Josie's math class? 49 minutes. We figured that out with our clock, didn't we? We got the same answer, 49 and 49 on our clock before. All right, if you do not have this written down, put this on pause till you complete it. Take a picture and send it to your teacher and meet me at the next video.